and the UK government. Boris Johnson, it seems pretty unlikely that Boris Johnson is going to announce anything radically different to what we're hearing now from the governments in Wales and Scotland when he delivers his address to the nation on Sunday night.
Okay, Tom, thank you. Just want to show you latest images coming to us from the United States. It, of course, being the 75th anniversary of VE Day, we've seen leaders around the world paying tribute to those who fought in the conflict and indeed those who lost their lives. Here are the latest images from Washington, D.C. President Trump there, who has laid a wreath at the World War II Memorial in Washington, D.C. Here he is with his wife, Melania.
This Christian Aid Week, we need your help to support people living in poverty around the world who are facing the challenge of coronavirus. Christian Aid is providing vulnerable men, women.
Hollywood's always offered escapism, but even here sometimes, real life is the great.
What are you doing?
Greg Martin, Sky News, Los Angeles.
Whenever we put out manifestos in the past, we've always had a progressive taxation system. Those who earn the most would pay a bit more. And there is actually a real case right now for protecting those. There are children tonight who are going to go to bed hungry. We've seen it. Coronavirus has exposed the inequalities that already existed in society, and arguably it's making it worse.
Rate of serve. Broken 3 times when we were down the street back in January.
Oh.